Yo, guys! Yeah, guys, it's me, Brain Jabis Bipakaira. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna say this is episode 2 of Frog Pro. You see that Shadow Fight 3? That episode 1? Yeah, guys, that was episode 1 because this thing is gaming. Yeah, guys, we're playing Frog Pro. And I'm gonna say, guys, put in the comments what should I play next. But don't put Roblox and Minecraft. Don't put that, guys. Please don't put that. You guys, you're watching this. Oh my gosh. And guys, I'm gonna say thanks for the 24 subscribers, guys. Thank you so much. And I'm gonna say, guys, please, guys, like and subscribe to this video episode. Yeah, guys, please like and subscribe. Please, guys. You guys, please like and subscribe. You guys, I'm broke. I have no money and much. You guys, I'm broke. I'm sad. You guys, we're playing Frog Pro. You guys, thanks for watching. Please, guys, watch this video until end of the video. Guys, please watch this video. You guys, I'm gonna say, guys. Just wait, guys. Please. Yeah, guys, this Presley is a bot. Is that a bot, guys? I don't know if it's that a bot. If it's a bot, oh my gosh! Put in the comments, guys, if it's a bot. Oh my gosh! Yeah, that's it. Oh my gosh! Brokey! Bro. Brokey. You guys, please like and subscribe to this video. You guys, I'm really sad because I have only 24 subscribers. No, guys, can you give me even more subscribers, please? Is this player a bot? Put in the comments, guys. Yeah, put in the comments, guys. Is this player a bot? Put in the comments, guys. Please like and subscribe, guys. Please. I swear you put. And if you like, you can get some 2 times luck. You get 2 times luck on tomorrow. No, I just died. Guys, you're gonna emote on them, yeah? Gosh, defense. Whoa, damn, bro. This thing is overpowered. You gonna say this? Yeah, guys, this dad is overpowered. You guys, what that's on you? Oh my god, bro. Damn, bro. Just die. Yeah, die, bro. I don't need you. I'm gonna grappling hook in there and yeah, bro. Damn it, bro. Yo, oh my gosh, games up, we've been defeated. No, and this only one fight. Yeah, guys, one fight. Yeah, guys, I'm a noob. Anay lang ah. And yeah, guys, I can say, guys, thank you for watching this video. Bye.